hate market errands. All of this for 5,000.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10.
2,000 naira. This much all these things cost in this economy, guys.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Hi guys, and welcome back to a new vlog, guys. So today is Tuesday and I've been outside, guys. So I just came back not quite long and I was like, okay, let me show you some things I got. Guys, I have a question. So if you have a business and you sell things, will you be buying from your store or you be picking it directly? So someone like me, from my store, I do buy things and I will return the money there. So I don't just pick things from my store. Yeah, so guys, let me just show you what I got from my store. Yeah, guys, I got all of this huge skincare for the month. So I got all of this from my store. Yes, anytime I buy things from my store, I used to put the money back. Even if my husband buys things from the store, he must return the money, like he must pay us. So let me start showing you what I got from my store, if that makes sense, guys. Yeah, that's a lot. Actually, this is for my baby, this is not for me. 6 of these because I don't use this every day. I use this like once in a week. So I just got 6 so that I will have 2 extra in case I want to shoot content. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So guys, these are all what I got from my store. And guys, I'll actually explain the reason why I bought all of these, guys. So this is actually my moisturizer and my body wash. I'm using Dr. Teal and it's actually not complete without my scrub. So this is my scrub over here, my scrub, and also the Dr. Teal oil. So guys, I've not been using this, so I just want to start using this. So maybe I'll be mixing this with my Dr. Teal moisturizer. Yeah guys, if you have been watching my videos, you should know this is the only face wash I use for my face. Yes. So I got this. I'm just trying this for the very first time. This is Face Facts moisturizing gel cream. It's actually for this face, so I'm trying this for the very first time. Guys, you should know this is my SPF, right? You should know this is my SPF. And guys, this is very important in case you are a female. Yeah, this is very, very important to get this. And I said earlier, this is not mine, this is for my baby. Actually, yeah, I can actually be using, but actually I use this for my baby. I use this for Jerick because I use this to rub his bum like every day and night. So this is what I use for him because I don't want diaper rash. And he is to scrape my tongue. Yeah, that's why. And this is niacinamide, the ordinary niacinamide. Yeah, just to treat my, you know, even if I have rough face, I'll still buy skincare products. I don't care. And this wipes just to remove makeup. So this is what I use to remove my makeup. So, and guys, actually, this is not actually the toothpaste I use, but I don't have. We don't have the toothpaste I use. So the one I use is actually the one that is actually the one for daily care. And this is what I have. So I have to buy this. Yeah, this is very scarce. That is for sensitive teeth, daily care. It is very, very scarce here in Ibadan. So, and I also don't have it in my store, so why not buying this? And guys, this kojic acid just to lighten my dark spots. Even though I have cut my hair, guys, I still use shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair every morning. I cannot be using my CeraVe to wash my, no, I can't. And I cannot be using my Dr. Teal to wash my hair, so I would rather use my conditioner and my shampoo. And what other things? My sponge, I want to try this sponge, guys. I've been seeing all these TikTok influencers, blah blah blah, using this sponge. So I'm trying this sponge for the very first time. And this lip gloss, guys, this lip gloss is so cute, very, very cute, and I love it. So I have this and this. Even though I have microblading on, I still have to like shave, guys. Can you see? I still have to like shave some things. Yeah, so this is all I got for this month. Obviously this should last for, yeah, for 2 months. Yeah, just guys, can you guess the amount of like how much all these things cost in this economy, guys. I won't tell you the price, but you can guess. Like, let's say you can guess how much all this thing cost in this economy. How much it costs. I'll be doing my shower routine very soon in a video, and I want to cook now, and let's go and cook, guys. Yeah, in case you love my bubble, guys, this era I want to be wearing my outfit every day, every time. So this is actually from Ankara. Yeah, you can come and shop from us. It's actually basketball and it's very luxury. It's a very nice material. So let me show you. Yeah. It's fine, right? Yes, I love it. And guys, if you love my wig, guys, this is Vietnam Bond Straight, 10 inches. It's also from Mogi Beauty Up, guys. Yeah, what do you even want to buy from us that we don't have in that store? What do you want to buy that we don't have? We have clothing, we have everything. Just name it. Anyway, let me go and cook now because I'm starving. Yeah. Guys, I'm about to cook now and there is no pepper at home, guys. I actually want to do risky. If you are from OAU, you should know risky. And lately, I just don't know, I'm just craving risky. It's risky, right? Yeah. So maybe I will just change it to like toast bread or something. But I really wish there is like pepper to just do my risky. If you are not from OAU, okay, let me explain what risky is. Risky is like bread and fried egg. So you're going to fry the egg and put the egg inside the bread and press it. And guys, then it's like 100 naira, 70 naira. Like, oh, I think that price there. Hungry is wiring me. Yeah. It's so hot. So guys, I just finished cooking this. I said earlier I don't have pepper, so I just boiled the egg and just normal bread and egg. It's afternoon, but this is what I'm craving and this is what I'm going to eat. So I'll be pairing this with this 5 Alive. I like this better than the orange one. Am I the only one? I like this better. Hi guys, good morning. I'm really running late. I'm going to the market and this is what I'm wearing out. I need to write the list of what I want to buy. Actually, I'm not buying so many things. I just need, yesterday I said I don't have pepper at home, so I just need to buy pepper and maybe plantain and some small things. And yeah, so I'll be going out with my mother-in-law today. Okay. Guys, I'll be writing the list in the car and just very few stuffs, anything I remember.
What do you feel about that? 50,000. No, you can 9,000. Mommy? ìgbàdùgbà kò tún ní ṣe yóò tún lọ mọ credit kọ́ lọ́n ṣàlùwà mẹ́rin yẹn gbàdùgbà.
So guys, I just came back from the market and these are all what I got. The plan was just to go and buy pepper, but you know right? So let me just show you what I got. So I got tantashe, and this is 4,000 naira. This is a packet of tantashe and it is 4,000 naira. Okay, this is bawa. I don't know the English of bawa, but this is our pocket of bawa and it is 2,000 naira. So tantashe and bawa are the same price. I got a wedu, 200 naira wedu. Guys, do you know this F4? This is the normal vegetable. Guys, this F4 is 700 naira. Why? This used to be like 200 naira, 500 naira back there. I don't know why they're selling for 500 naira. Or for 700 naira rather. Okay, next to this. So guys, I got plantain. So I got plantain I got plantain. So this plantain is 1,000 naira plantain. I think, yeah. She packed it in 2 places. So this is 1,000 naira plantain. Guys, the things like the market is actually like very affordable. It's like local market. I got potato. Okay, before showing you potato, this is rodo, and this rodo is, how much is rodo? 6,000 naira for rodo. So I got half bucket for 3,000 naira, and I got a full bucket of tomato. This is so heavy. This is 1 bucket of tomato. God, there's water on it. Yeah, guys, this is the kind of tomato I love. So this is a full bucket of tomato for how much? 6,000 naira. For 6,000 naira. This whole bucket. So it's like this, guys. It's very heavy, and this is the best tomato, guys. This is the best tomato ever that I've tried. On to the next. I got potato. Yeah, this potato is 2,000. He said 2,500, so I priced it to 2,200. This potato, yeah. I don't know, it's quite a lot. I can't just open anything now. I got fish. You know, all this smoked fish. So this is a pack. So like in 2 places, and this is, so she said one is 1,500, so I bought the 2 for 2,500. So instead of 3,000 naira, I got a discount of 500 naira. Guys, I'm using all this to do my F4, and I have Oma at home. I have other fish, but I want this ejanino for the stew of the F4. Okay, so this is bawa. So this bawa is the green one. Let me show you. I want to do ayamache. And I got this bawa for 500 naira, guys. It's actually a lot. I was like, it's too much. I don't need up to this, but this is 500 naira. Guys, I got this rodo for 200 naira. It's also for ayamache still. So I have the normal rodo, the half bucket of rodo, but that one is the red one. So this one is for the sauce that I want to do. Is it ayamache or ayamache? I don't know. But this one is green rodo. This is the green rodo for 200 naira. All of this. I got plantain for 1,000 naira. This plantain for 1,000 naira. This plantain is 1,000 naira. Fish. I want to use this fish for moi. This is shower. And I got okra. This okra is 500 naira worth of okra. I think it's not that much. And guys, I got onions. I can't bring these onions out. Okay, let me try. Yeah. Onions. Guys, this is a lot. And this onions is 5,000 naira. For all of this for 5,000 naira. So roughly I spent more than 30k. I actually plan to spend 30k. Let's say 35k. I'm not really sure. Like, I'll do my calculation, I'll put it in. This is all I got for this week. just to make stew, and not really for this week. This should last for like 2 weeks, but some will, I don't know, but that's that. So guys, I want to go and rest now because I'm not doing the cooking, I'm not doing anything today. So the tomato will be washed and will be put inside the Ziploc. I store my tomato inside my freezer, so the tomato, the tantashe, all the pepper like this will be washed and put inside the Ziploc. The fish also will be washed and put inside the Ziploc. Every other things will be just they will put in their places, but not by me, because this little girl, she's tired. So I have to go and sleep, guys. I'm so tired and I've not eaten since morning. I'm so hungry, and this is like almost 1 p.m. Guys, look at my life. This is the life I'm living, the life I chose. But anyways, that's that. I love marketing and I don't like it. Like, it's actually stressful, but I like pricing things. Anyways, guys, I talked to her. Let me go and wash my hands.